Welcome everyone. This is 5 minute structure and here I am Pranab. So today's topic is reinforced concrete design. So in this reinforced concrete design series, I will show you like how to design reinforced concrete member. So this is the introduction. So in this introduction, I will show you like the reference book that I will follow in this reinforced concrete design course. Is like the book named Reinforced Concrete Mechanics and Design, written by James White and James McGregor. Most of the photograph courtesy will go to this reference book. So reinforced concrete design, the first word is reinforce. So what does that mean, reinforce? So reinforce is like alloy combination of metal, especially the main composition in this alloy is come from like steel. There will be carbon, there will be like chromium, nickel, so different types of metal composition. So you see in this photograph there is a reinforced formwork, and the reinforced size can be different, it can be different diameter. So to cast concrete, before cast concrete, like we'll provide reinforced formwork as per the design, the different spacing. You see like different types of spacing. It can be top, it can be bottom, it can be crank, it can be like different inclination. So that is this from this photograph. Go from next. This photograph is like concrete. So concrete is basically a mixture of cement, water, aggregate. The aggregate can be coarse, can be fine, and there can be like admixture. In concrete there can be like sand, so different types of composition. I'll show you like in the following like video about the concrete. So in this photograph I'll show you like the reinforced concrete member. So for the very first thing I'll show you like this is a slab, and the slab is connected by the beam. So you see like there's a beam, so this is a beam, and beam is connected by the column is connected by the footing or like foundation. So the load comes from like load comes in like the slab will transfer the load to the beam will transfer load to the column will transfer load to the foundation, that means footing, and the load from the foundation will go to the soil. So you see like there is another types of reinforced concrete member. There is a stair. The slab can be joist, so this is a joist. There can be a lintel is provided on the top of door to carry the load comes from top of the door. The beam, this can be spandrel beam, and I'll show you how to design spandrel beam. And this is a slab on grade. Basement, I'll show you each of the term in the following videos. This is another photograph. In this photograph I'll show you like this is a slab or roof, whatever it is, like and this is called flat plate because there is no beam. The load comes from the slab to the column directly. The column can be interior, that means inside the building, and the column is along the perimeter of the building is called outside or exterior column. This is column bracket, and on top of like column capital there will be drop panel. I'll show you how to design drop panel. And this is a pedestal, which is like inside between the footing and the column. And this is a basement floor. So today is up to this, and thank you again, and please subscribe 5 minute structure. In this series I'll show you how to design each of the reinforced concrete member in a very good way. Thank you.